Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome to Food Things. Let's make some homemade burgers. You have to activate your yeast and add the following ingredients as shown on the screen. Work that dough until it's smooth and silky. Let it proof for about 1 hour. This is after an hour, and as you punch in, it should punch you back. That's proof that it has proven enough and it has proven well. Don't forget to dust your surface. Cut out in equal sizes and then lay them down on the surface. Cover it with a cloth and let it proof for 10 minutes before you actually start molding them ready for the oven. Set your oven at 180 and bake them off for 35 minutes. Don't mind my oven, I live in a busy kitchen. And voila! Here we have our burger buns. So let's assemble and enjoy. This is it for today. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any other suggestions, just DM me or pop them up in the comment section. Here I just not dust, I'm actually just smearing in ghee. I just want a lot of flavor. Yeah, when I bite into it, I just want a composition of flavor. That's why I'm using ghee. You can use butter, you can use oil. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Adios and happy cooking.
I begin to